Hello and welcome to the free Fibonacci video for Friday, January 21st. Now, today we saw some significant additional downside to add to Thursday's sell-off in the S&P 500, and there might be some early signs that the tide might be turning. And so for our Fibonacci analysis, generally, of course, if the trend is starting to turn to the downside, what that means is that we're going to start using resistance levels, right? Not as places to take profit on longs, but as places to short. And similarly, we'll view support levels not necessarily as places to get into trades, but rather to take profits on those trades where we shorted into resistance. Now, it's a little early to do that quite yet. And so while there are several scenarios that could lead to us starting to confirm a move to the downside, what the main thing that we'll look for is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside. And because there are some patterns that would apply here where a 5-wave move to the downside wouldn't indicate a change in trend, from Elliott wave it is a message of a move in the direction of trend, but particularly in this circumstance, it would need to be corroborated by seeing any bounce end as a 3-wave move prior to turning back down. Should we see that, and we can shift gears. Now, we'll need to wait to see if we get it. A few guideposts that I'll be looking for. A nice spot to end a wave 3 should we do so. It would be down here around the 1618 projection of the move down. Initial move down from the all-time high, projected down from last week's high. That comes in 4366. There's a voodoo snow line just below that around 4350. That could send us to into a bounce, and so long as that's reasonably contained with one more leg down, then we can start monitoring a bounce to see how that unfolds. On a short-term basis, if we can get below 4313 before this initial bounce, then it may mean significantly lower before that first bounce. So that's what I've got for general guideposts. Of course, we'll dig into all the details about this in the premium video. I will see y'all at the next update.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me